The days of organizing your products in a separate spreadsheet when you're creating content are gone. It's time to seamlessly integrate your products into content for your business. How are you keeping track of the products that you're promoting on social media? Maybe it's a semi-messy spreadsheet or a shared Word document. Maybe it's a piece of paper on your desk with a bunch of SKUs scribbled on it. Or have we not all been there? Regardless, I guarantee that integrating your products into the tool that you use to create content will save you a ton of headaches. Today, I want to show you CapCut Commerce Pro's product tagging tool. I've mentioned before that CapCut Commerce Pro is a one-stop shop for businesses to create content, and it really is true. Whether you have 10 products or 100 products, you can import all of your SKUs onto Commerce Pro with every single product detail straight from your e-commerce website. And the process is quick. By the time you walk over to your coffee machine and grab your mug, all of your products have been imported onto the platform and you're ready to start creating content. Head over to commercepro.capcut.com to check out the product tagging tool and everything else the platform has to offer. You can get a free trial right now with your standard CapCut account. And if you're not subscribed to CapCut's YouTube channel, you definitely should be. We post a ton of product updates and tutorials to help you take your content to the next level. And I don't want you to miss a thing. Okay, open your browser and let me show you CapCut Commerce Pro's product tagging tool. Within the products menu, you'll see multiple options for importing your SKUs. Your first option is importing directly from Shopify. Doing this will sync all of your product information directly from your website. You can also import all of your SKUs via CSV. So if you've been working off of a spreadsheet and prefer to bring all of that information onto Commerce Pro, you can do that. Finally, you can manually add a product. Here, you can add all of your product details individually. Paste in the link to your product and then add your product name, assets, and features. You can also add its target audience, price, SKU, and more. Once you import all of your product data, you'll be able to see all of your products listed out on this page. Here you can see I have a photo of each product, their names and SKUs, where they were imported from, and their shopping category. When I click on a product from this list, the product details will pop up on the side. If you manually added your product onto Commerce Pro, you'll have already seen this page. But I want to take a moment to show you how incredible this platform is for importing all of your product details from your Shopify site. These images, product features, and so on were successfully pulled from the website with no extra work from me. This is a huge time saver, and I highly recommend just importing directly from your website if possible. And you can always change the details here later. For example, if the product goes on sale, you can update the promotional details. If you do a photo shoot with your product and have new images to add, you can also do that here. Simply make your changes and then press the Save button here at the bottom. CapCut Commerce Pro is all about making content creation as quick and easy as possible, and the Generate button is a great example of this. If you click the Generate button here on the product page, a menu will drop down giving you the choice between video content and images. If I choose video, it'll take me to the video generator where all of my product details and assets have already loaded in. From there, if I click the Settings button, I can make changes to the aspect ratio, duration, and language. I can also see a variety of ad scripts, avatars, and voices. Now, in just a few clicks, I have several video ads to choose from, and they all showcase my product beautifully. But let's say you'd rather create an image asset to promote your product. When I select images from the drop-down menu on the products page, I can select an image asset to create a product image or a sales poster. To finish my product image, all I have to do is select an AI background. I can also write my own prompt or upload a reference. To create a sales poster, I'll just type in a prompt and CapCut Commerce Pro will give me a custom poster to share on my business's social platforms. The fact that you can create content directly from your product catalog on CapCut Commerce Pro is a total game changer for businesses. It's never been easier to pump out fresh new ads to potential customers. How are you using the products menu? Have you tried out the video generator yet? Comment down below and let us know what you think. And if there is anything else you're curious about, we want to hear from you. What CapCut Commerce Pro tools do you want to learn more about? How can we help you create content more easily for your business? Let us know, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.